Hello and welcome. My name is Darwin German, and I wanted to give you some updates and tell you that the sky is not falling. First off, congratulations to those who invested into our team in making our first purchase in Lake Tahoe. We started a fund there to buy properties and some great information. There's some great information if you want to watch the video of Charles German, my brother, who's been operating there for 7 years, is our operating partner. And we've got some great information, some great properties we're buying there. This is a growth fund expected to make about 20% per year average internal rate of return. And we've got, like I said, we just closed on one today and we've got 2 more coming right behind it. Also, check out our next property closing soon, which is Village Condos in Waco, Texas. This is a value-added play with a cash-out refinance. It's 108 units on the freeway right next to Baylor University, a great property. Check that one out and get the information on that as well. But I want to tell you, the sky is not falling. Our investor relations team is calling it out to you, and they're hearing from some people that they're worried. They're worried about what's going on with the fluctuation in the marketplace, with the new president, what's all going to change. But I want to tell you why you should not be that worried about it. Yes, I expect taxes will go up, but that's not the reason you invest. You don't invest because of what the tax situation is. As a matter of fact, because taxes are going up, you need to actually make more money than you did before. Now, real estate has been and always will be the best place to protect your capital. There may have been great tax benefits in real estate. Some of those may be pared down. Now, Trump gave us a huge benefit with having accelerated depreciation. Yes, that might go away. But again, you don't invest strictly for the tax write-offs. There still will be, because you need to remember all of those people in Congress that are making those laws, most of them invest in real estate and they do not want to hurt themselves. So there will still continue to be great reasons to invest in real estate. But remember, you invest in real estate for a few other reasons. Yes, you do invest for the tax benefits, but that's not the primary reason. The primary reasons are for cash flow, so that you can have an income from your investment. Appreciation, because the property will go up in value over time. And the most relevant one right now, inflation. That's the one that we should worry about. If you just put your money in the mattress, next month it's worth less, next year it's worth less, the year after that it's worth less. So you need to put it in somewhere. Put your investment capital somewhere that's going to protect you from inflation. Now, why do I think there's going to be inflation? 2 main reasons. One is if they're going to print another $1.9 trillion, that's going to increase the money supply. That's why you've seen some prices go up and some stocks go up and things like that anyway, because they are being affected by the additional cash flow, additional cash in the market. Also, if they increase the minimum wage to $15 an hour, that is going to cause inflation also, because now people can pay more for things because they're making more money. It's really a losing scenario. So what we want to do is protect ourselves from that by investing in hard assets, real estate being the strongest of those. And lastly, leverage. We're still borrowing money in the 3 to 3.5% range. Now, when paying those dollars back in the future, we're basically shorting the dollar because we're borrowing at 3.5%, and we're paying back those dollars in the future that are worth less than what they are right now. So that is a great reason right there to invest. Now, the fundamentals of real estate are still very strong. First off, there's a huge population growth in Texas. You read about it every single day, more and more companies moving to Texas. That's because of their friendly business environment, lower cost, and just a great place to do business. Also, home prices are going up faster than rent is. This is pricing people out of home ownership, which means they're going to continue to rent. And we provide housing to those people that are. Also, interest rates are still low. Lock in those low interest rates, short the dollar, and invest in that manner. Now, why Darwin German Real Estate? Why DGRE? First off, we continue to stick with our conservative underwriting and keeping liquid and protecting the assets. That's our number one goal, is to protect the asset. Of course, the asset is the value of your investment. So that's why we want to do it. We look out for you. We have our own in-house management company, and they watch all of the details and keep refining to increase our income and decreasing our expenses. All this translates into higher values. For example, even in 2020, with COVID, our numbers, comparing apples to apples between 2019 and 2020, we still saw a 20% increase in our equity, even during COVID. So even with all the problems with eviction moratoriums and other collection issues, we still increase the value of our portfolio, increase the value of the equity in our portfolio by over 20%. Also, DGRE, we're all about communication. We still communicate the good, the bad, and the ugly with complete transparency, send out monthly reports, have monthly webinars going over the progress of everything, send out all of the financials and things like that. So we want to be completely transparent because we're your partners. We partner with you. You invest your hard-earned capital, and we make sure that it's protected and growing. That is our number one goal, is to continue to watch out for the investor first. Bottom line, real estate will always be the best place to invest. Apartments and DFW are the strongest asset in the country. Continue to invest with strong operators and strong markets to protect and grow your wealth. Now, thank you for listening. We appreciate your partnership and your trust, and we do not take that for granted, and we will always look out for you and protect your investment, no matter what. So thank you very much. Like I said, look out for those videos. Take a look at the videos that we have for our Lake Tahoe fund and Village Condos in Waco, Texas, because we will have more things coming out in the future. But take a look at those. We go through all the numbers, all the information, and give you absolutely everything to make a confident investment. Thank you so much. Reach out to us. Let us know how we're doing. Let us know what we can do better, and let us know what you want to see. But keep on investing in real estate. Thank you so much. Have a great day.